This time, Kyoto University has succeeded in developing a wireless emulator that enables the construction and testing of a large-scale Wi-Fi network in a virtual space. Next-generation IoT system, Wi-Fi. In today's ever-evolving society, wireless communication technology is undergoing a transformation. The accelerating increase in the number of wireless communication devices is causing a variety of adverse effects, such as frequency congestion and a degradation of frequency utilization efficiency due to mutual interference. Wi-Fi communication has become an indispensable technology in our daily lives. Wi-Fi has the advantage of high speed, but also has disadvantages such as short communication distance and vulnerability to obstacles. Wi-Fi, a new communication standard, has been developed to overcome these weaknesses by offering a long communication distance, high resistance to obstacles, easy connectivity, and low power consumption. Wi-Fi has a long communication distance and can flexibly adapt to urban structures because the wireless devices autonomously build a network with each other. In addition, because the radios transmit information to each other like a bucket relay, it is possible to build a network with few blind spots. Furthermore, since each radio communicates by switching frequencies, it has the advantage of being resistant to radio interference. Currently, Wi-Fi is used in home area networks that connect smart meters from utility companies and many sensors, meters, and monitors in the home. In addition, Wi-Fi is also expected to be used for wide area infrastructure services, such as smart cities, because it can connect various devices installed outdoors in a so-called field area network. However, in the Society 5.0 and beyond 5G era, there are some difficulties in designing systems using Wi-Fi. One of the difficulties is that the scale of the Wi-Fi experiment is so large that it requires an entire city to conduct the experiment, which is a bottleneck in securing space, and materials to deploy the experimental equipment, as well as the current lack of frequencies. This led to the idea of conducting a communication experiment using a wireless emulator in a virtual space. This is a technology for conducting wireless communication experiments by constructing a system in which radio equipment can be deployed in a virtual space. This technology can accurately reproduce a city, similar to the real world, and conduct a wide variety of large-scale experiments in it, thus enabling accurate experiments and data acquisition without large-scale construction and equipment investment in the real world. Harada Laboratory at Kyoto University, in collaboration with NICT, the National Institute of Information and Communications Technology, has developed a Wi-Fi radio device that operates inside a wireless emulator and has successfully conducted communication tests with 10,000 wireless devices. In this example, the Minato Mirai area of Yokohama is used as a model. First, in this emulator, users install a wireless device at an arbitrary location in urban space. Next, the propagation characteristics of the radio waves between the respective radios are calculated. Based on the calculation results, a Wi-Fi fan network is constructed. Then, actual information is transmitted and transmission characteristics are measured. The user is free to change the location of the wireless devices and design the optimal network for the area. Furthermore, this system can be connected in real time with wireless devices not only in virtual space, but also in real space, allowing more accurate experimental and demonstration data to be obtained, and lean research and development for practical use is underway. In this way, the wireless emulator makes it possible to realize a large-scale IoT wireless communication network using Wi-Fi more accurately and speedily. Implementing innovative technologies in an increasingly diverse and complex society requires a major effort that involves the very framework of society. In such an era, the demand for wireless emulators will increase more and more in the future.